Hey there traders, hope you guys are doing well. So in this video guys, I just want to quickly take you through market imbalances and what you need to be careful of while you're taking positions. Like if you find yourself getting stopped out and your levels are not being respected, because most of you are trading on the 15 and the 5-minute time frame and you're basically very zoomed in. So zoom out to your 1 hour time frame and look for imbalances in the market. If you find yourself going long, say on this leg down, you're going long, and you keep getting stopped out. A big reason is because you haven't looked left for imbalances in the market. So you can see over here, there's a big imbalance in the market. Imbalance is basically a huge, gap, a huge, big order in the market. And usually the market makers will come back to balance the books before moving higher. For example, here we can see quite a big imbalance over here. Okay. Let's just move that up. So right over there, you can see the market makers pushed up. The market makers pushed up. They came right back to that imbalance. Okay, they came right back to the imbalance, basically a little bit lower, and then they moved the market higher. Okay, so you need to be aware of imbalances. It happens on uptrends and downtrends. You can see right now they're coming back for that imbalance in the market. Okay, so this one over here, we can see another one here, bearish imbalance. You can see that imbalance. They came back the same day, took out the imbalance, and then moved down. Same thing here. We can see an imbalance here in the market. They came back the same day and took out the imbalance, so they balanced the books, and then they moved. We can see it right over here, big imbalance. So they'll come back, take out the imbalance, balance the books, and then move. Sometimes they won't come back for it, but most of the time they do. Okay, you can see over here a bit of an imbalance in the market here. They come back right for that imbalance, and then they basically either move or they carry on going lower. But you'll usually get a reaction once the imbalance has been filled. 30 to 50 pip, move. So what I'm saying is, if you find yourself getting stopped out and you're not sure why your levels are not being stopped out, it could be because they're coming back for that imbalance. You can see over here, they're coming back for that imbalance. Okay, then you can zoom into your 15-minute time frame and look for levels. Once the imbalance has been taken out, then you can start looking for trades off levels. For example, like this level, maybe that level, maybe this level over here. You can do all this but just be very wary if you're getting stopped out and the level that you're looking at on the 15-minute on the lower time frame is not getting respected. It could very well be because the higher time frame imbalance needs to be filled first. I'm not saying they reverse directly after the imbalance, but what they'll do is they'll come back to the imbalance. Like right now, they're coming back for it. Okay, they might react from the imbalance, then they'll go into it a bit, and then they'll start respecting these levels or these levels or these levels, and then the market will basically, start shooting higher. So that's basically it for this video. Just be very aware of that day to day. So zoom out on your charts, to the hourly, and look for these imbalances. We can see a big imbalance. You can see how this imbalance here basically got taken out before they moved it lower. So you can see here there's an imbalance. So if the market starts going higher and you start going short and you're not sure why the market keeps going higher, it may be because they're coming for this imbalance, and then they'll pierce into the imbalance, balance the books, build up a liquidity zone, and then move away from that imbalance. So just be very aware of imbalances if you keep getting stopped out and you're not sure why you're getting stopped out, because they are basically going to fill the books to balance the books before they move again. Okay guys, so please please comment, and please subscribe to the channel if you found some value in this video. And I just wish you guys a good and happy trading week going forward. Beautiful setup here guys, if these levels get respected. So this is what I'm looking for myself. Wait till those books are balanced and then look for your trades. Don't carry on getting stopped out. Be aware of the imbalances in the market if your levels are not being respected. Hope this video helped, guys. Have a good week and take care.